my name is Valerie and I will guide you through your spiritual journey. So today's video is about the second and the third chakras, also known as the Sacral chakra and the Solar Plexus chakra. So the Sacral chakra is located just below the navel and is associated with pleasure, creativity, and sexuality. When this chakra is balanced, we feel happy, creative, and emotionally stable. Which means that if it's blocked, we may experience a lack of sexual desire, a feeling of being emotionally stuck, and difficulty expressing ourselves creatively. To balance the sacral chakra, we can do some activities that bring us pleasure, such as dancing, painting, or spending time with loved ones. We can incorporate specific foods, like fruit and vegetable that are orange, like for example oranges, mangoes, carrots, and so on. And we can also use essential oils such as ylang ylang, orange, and sandalwood. These foods and oils will help us balance our sacral chakra. The solar plexus chakra is located in the upper abdomen, just right here, and is associated with personal power and confidence. So when this chakra is balanced, we feel self-assured and in control, which means if it's blocked, we may experience feelings of insecurity, low self-esteem, and a lack of motivation. To balance this chakra, we can do something that improves our self-confidence, such as positive self-talk, affirmations, and visualization exercises. We can also incorporate foods of yellow color, like for example bananas and apples, and essential oils such as lemon oil, grapefruit, and peppermint. These foods and oils will help us open the solar plexus chakra and improve our self-assurance, confidence, and motivation. Remember that each chakra is interconnected and balancing them is essential for overall well-being. By the way, I have a meditation for balancing all the chakras. It will be somewhere here. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful to you. And if you want to see more spiritual content, don't forget to subscribe. Namaste. Love you. Bye bye.